Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to see the 5 best email providers on the deep web or the dark web. If navigating the dark web wasn't hard enough, it's a constant struggle to find the trusted lines developed for the secure communication. The dark web or the deep web, as many wrongly refer to it, is where Tor accessible domains reside. That is the .onion URL. It's not that finding secure communication on Tor is struggle, but it's hard to find private lines not run by a rogue entity or a government entity. So we have organized a list of secure dark web email providers. Please remember that no email provider should be ever deemed secure. That is, they always use encryption and keep your OPSEC to its highest level. All of these email providers are accessible via Tor browser, an anonymity tool designed to conceal the end user's identity and heavily encrypt their encryption, so making that who use the network anonymously. Tor is used by an array of people including journalists, activists, political dissidents, government targets, whistleblowers, the government, and just about anyone since it's open source free tool. Tor provides a sense of security in high risk situations and is often a choice among high profile targets. However, many use it day to day as it provides identity concealment seamlessly. So we have listed emails that are not only secure but utilize no type of third-party services, including any of the hidden Google scripts, fonts, trackers. So in this list we have gone ahead and pasted the full .onion domains for verification and added a link to any services who also offer a clear web portal. So these links I will provide in the description of my video. And however, all the communications sent to clear web domains should be presumed insecure unless properly encrypted, then still it's questionable. So let's get to the list of secure dark web mail providers. So for number 5 we have Cock.li. So while the name may sound like the most serious email provider, it's not. But one thing they do care about is our privacy. Cock.li is run by an individual who owns a number of NSFW domains that is not safe for work domains and decided to make it an email provider. Be warned, the domain may not be safe for the work if others are around. While it's a silly name, it is a very real email provider and about as transparent as they come. So Cock.li advertises itself as an email run by some dude, not a business, and that does come with its own set of perks. One of those being the complete transparency. For starters, the owner of Cock.li, who will refer to as Vincent Canfield from now on, has the total monthly costs listed on its homepage. Right under that, Canfield has a transparency report publishing all the legal documents he receives and information he is ever forced to disclose. Alongside transparency, he also provides a darknet portal and clearly outlines how his webmail runs. So I will also provide the link in the description for this darknet portal. So Cock.li lets everyone know that email is inherently insecure and how he technically does have the ability to read emails just like nearly any other provider. While all of this may sound a little scary, Cock.li is a very well respected email provider among the regular dark web visitors. So for number 4 we have Mail2Tor. Mail2Tor is only accessible via Tor network but can both receive dark web and clear web emails, making this another dual compatible setup. The site is quite minimalistic and does not provide a whole lot of information outside of it being the Tor only email provider. The service has been around for quite a while and has served the Tor community well during its time. So it's also one of the best service on the Tor network for the encrypted email providers. So for number 3 we have Bitmessage. Bitmessage is another free Tor friendly and a privacy conscious email providers. Throughout the domain, Bitmessage employs zero type of tracking or advertisements. Though they do collect a few stats about the service, including the number of active users, the number of emails sent, the number of emails received, and a few server logs, that is IMAP, SMTP, etc. Though none of this information is ever personally identifying, so you are safe to go. Though they do collect some data, but it's not the personal data or the user stats. For security, Bitmessage employs a transport system that runs inside a sandbox, disallowing the information to leave except through previously defined channels. The data on the disk is encrypted, and the emails are actually deleted from the system when you delete them from your account. That is the main highlight of this Bitmessage. While the service is Tor friendly, it is not Tor exclusive, and allows you to not only connect but send receive messages through both clear web and dark web portals. However, one downside is that you're required to verify with a Google owned CAPTCHA service on their sign up page. Other than that, all content is locally hosted. So for number 2 we have Torbox. A rather simple provider is Torbox, a Tor only service. This means that no clear web connections are made. That is maybe it can be its downside. So it makes email a dark web exclusive, so you cannot use it on a clear web sites to send the emails. If the recipient isn't using a Torbox certified provider, the email will not be sent, even if it's a dark web compatible. Currently, Torbox supports emails to and from lentos.org, maskedmail.com, mailtotor.com, mailtor.net, and safemail.net. Torbox is strictly Tor email and has no intention of releasing a clear web friendly service in near future. Torbox is 100% free and offers 25 MB at sign up and offers more disk space for Bitcoin donations. All email data stored on the servers is encrypted due to server itself using encrypted partitions. As the name suggests, Torbox is a Tor exclusive email where no packet or no email header will ever hit the clear web. So after all these things, we have come to our number 1 position, and on the number 1 position we have our best mail site, that is protonmail.com, and it's also my one of the favorites. So let's get into that. While it seems odd that a non-dark web exclusive email provider would be number 1 on the list, ProtonMail has rightfully owned their spot with the notable security measures and HTTPS secure dark web portal. ProtonMail has made its way on the top of the list for extensive security measures they employ across their networks. The only downside to the ProtonMail is that you cannot register with a .onion address, making all the emails default clear web domains. ProtonMail does enforce the several security measures to make up the clear web domains. That is, for beginners, everything on ProtonMail is end-to-end encrypted, a method that allows only a single end user to see the contents. With all contents being end-to-end encrypted, the only you can see your email. On top of this, ProtonMail ensures that they run their emails in a zero knowledge environment, meaning even if they wanted to read your communication, they would not physically be able to. Only you can unlock the encrypted contents. ProtonMail is not only secure on the software side but on the hardware side as well. For one, ProtonMail operates out of the jurisdiction of Switzerland, a country with some strongest privacy laws throughout the globe. So it has two servers, one in US and one in Switzerland, but they all fall out of the jurisdiction of US or the Europe Union. Not only do they operate out of Switzerland, but also they own and operate all their own hardware. So basically they have their own servers. According to ProtonMail, they use strictly dedicated servers they own at select data centers scattered throughout the Switzerland. No VPNs or shared servers. ProtonMail strictly employs dedicated hardware in the country they operate out of. So getting to the highlights of the ProtonMail is that everything is end-to-end encrypted. Any user can start with it, that is with zero knowledge. You can start the ProtonMail using you can start using ProtonMail. They have their dedicated hardware and servers, and they operate out of jurisdiction of any country, so your data can be leaked if government wants it. And they use symmetric encryption for seamless secure communication, and one of the best thing is that it's free for around 500 MB, and there are monthly and yearly plans as according to your needs you can use them. So one last great feature of the about the ProtonMail is that they allow you to easily send encrypted emails to other secure email providers through symmetric encryption, allowing you to communicate with others using secure email without having to worry about the clearnet or go through the hassle manually encrypting everything. Lastly, they enforce HTTPS on their .onion domains, a rare technique that is perfect to ensure you are always visiting the official ProtonMail dark web domains. One upside and one downside is of the ProtonMail is that owners are not anonymous and they do operate a real business. So ProtonMail just won't fail and instantly fall dark like a lot of dark email web providers have done in the past. While there are many benefits to owners remaining anonymous, it can be a huge burden if the company simply decides to pull its plug. Then they can pull its plug. To ensure you are always visiting official ProtonMail dark website, refer to their Tor page on their clear web domain, so you can read there so that you are not fetched or anything else. So for conclusion, I can say that when dealing with the email on the dark web, you need to be extremely cautious, as email is a serious service that needs to be properly handled. If your communication fall into the wrong hands, it can be critical and can even cost some people their lives in other countries. Email privacy is a serious concern and should not be taken lightly. If your inbox hold not only your common interest but extremely private information, and if you are working on the dark web, it's presumably even more sensitive. And finding a provider that can offer secure communication is something hard to trust, especially when working on the dark web, as many government agencies wants to de-anonymize the Tor users. So while Tor project continually battle the waves of the government, these are some emails that can combat mass surveillance as well. Ensure that you keep your operational security on high defense at all times while using any dark web email provider. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you like this video, and if you like the video, then like the video and subscribe to our channel for more of this content. We will be posting regularly these times. Okay, have a nice day.